Hi you guys, it's your girl Victoria and I'm back with another video. As you can see by the title, this will be a hair review on a company called Celie's Hair. So yeah, I honestly just want to say like, subscribe, and comment. Also, thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching my videos, stuff like that, because without you, I wouldn't be able to review hair like this. I believe this is my biggest company I've worked with so far. So shout out to Celie's Hair for contacting me, and also shout out to you guys like I just said. Let's just go ahead and get into this video because I don't even want this intro to be too long because I'm so ready to talk about this hair. Alright you guys, like I said, I'm reviewing hair for Celie's Hair. They're Aliexpress vendor, and yeah, you guys know I like to do my pros and cons. I always start off with the cons first, then I move on to the good stuff. But I will unbox before I do anything, which is not too much unboxing because I have the hair installed in my head already. So I'll just show you a little bit of what I got that's left over. So this is the bag that it came in. They sent me a 20-inch frontal, a 22, a 20, and two 24s. It came by FedEx. I also got a mirror, a double-sided mirror in it, and on the back it has their email, their WhatsApp number, and a scan bar. It might give you some percents off, I'm not sure, but yeah, let's start with the cons. There are no cons to this company. I am in love with this company. I'm in love with the hair. You guys really need to check this out because like, Celie's Hair is giving me life, like really. So let's go ahead and get into the pros. Okay, so the pros of this company is their hair is so soft and luscious, and it just flows in the wind. I do have one thing to say before I get into the rest of the video, is that this frontal was so thick it felt like I was plucking it forever, but maybe that's because I didn't bleach the knots. Because this is a tip for those who don't know about bleaching your knots and stuff, and what it does when you bleach your knots, it does weaken the knots and it causes the hair in the frontal to shave. So maybe that's why, because I usually bleach my other frontals, but yeah, it felt like it was taking forever. I know it's super thick, but it just felt like it was taking forever for me to pluck and get this hairline to what I wanted it to be. Yeah, so let's get back into the pros. Another pro is packaging. You guys know that I am a big fan of packaging, and if you don't know, well now you do. I am a big fan of packaging and I love stuff that's unique. I've got a bag before like this, I believe, but never like this material. Like, I like this material. This bag can be used for anything. Like, I can put maybe like makeup in it or something like that. So shout out to Celie for this bag. This is very creative. They also give you a scan bar, which I'm sure to give you like some percents off. It tells you their email address, their social media names, WhatsApp, and also their website. So I'm loving this bag. It's very cute. The gift. So you know we always get those ratchet lashes, which I put my lashes to use, baby. Even though they ratchet, I do the brush trick on my synthetic lashes that they sent me. But you know we always get the lashes. Or we get some flexi rods. This time they sent me this mirror, this double-sided mirror. I'm in love with this mirror. I use this and take this wherever I go. And it has a magnified side and a regular side. And there's no way that I can show you that, but yes, this magnified side is exactly what I need when I go places. So I love that gift. This is so cute. This is very handy too. I was just starting to film this video for you guys, and as soon as I turned it on to start recording, because I record on my phone. As soon as I started to do that, they emailed me. I heard the email go off and I checked my email and it was from them. So they're always checking in to see how things is going. Always checked in to make sure that I was satisfied. Checking in, making sure I like my hair. If I need something changed, then they'll, you know, hit me back up. So shout out to them for that. Another pro about this company is no shedding. So I'm gonna take my comb. I always do a test, and I'm gonna comb through the hair, and no shedding. Now, if it does shed, then hopefully it'll be little to none, because all hair sheds. Your hair sheds, the dog hair sheds, the cat hair sheds, everybody hair sheds. But this is not nothing that's shedding like over dramatic and stuff like that. But I'm gonna show you how long it is. Can you see? So it's pretty. It's really long. I have on this dress that I got from my friend. So see, the hair reaches about to my butt. I'm in love with this hair. This hair is really giving me life. I love the length. Shipping. So shipping was really fast. It took me like 3 days to get this hair, which is nice for me because every time I get sent hair or something like that or purchase it, it takes me a week or maybe a week and a half, and I ain't got time to be waiting. Sometimes I'll be in a rush. So yeah, shipping only took 3 days. That's another pro for me. This is really short. I'll do a video probably on how to lay and slay your hair like this. I did add foundation to this closure. This is what it looks like plucked. I just went in and plucked it some more. I didn't pluck this side too much, but this side is really plucked. So yes, I want to shout out to Celie's Hair for asking me to do this review, because baby, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, okay? Because I don't want you guys buying no hair that's gonna be looking stiff the next day. When you go swimming, it's gonna be all messed up in the chlorine. Even though I ain't go swimming with this hair, so I don't know, but I want to give you guys my honest review. And if you guys have a different opinion or a different experience with a company, always let me know. I will definitely talk to the company and let them know that my people is not getting the same hair that I'm getting, if that is the case. I want to thank you guys for watching, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos.